What's up, y'all? Me, Big Dude here. So anyway, I just outside videoing everything. Before I do my video, I would like to give one shout out to Stepping on Everything. Yeah, so anyway, it started to rain again. Look at the waterfall right there. That big old waterfall. I do not know why it rained all. It been raining ever since like last night or something. I do not know why. I say Mississippi got the most rain ever. Yeah, it like cold. It like a little cold right now. I had to put my jacket on. Yeah. So anyway, everything. How y'all doing? I'm doing good. Just walking on the porch. I sure ain't going in the rain to record. Ain't that crazy? I ain't going in the rain to record. So anyway, sorry about the late recording. I was checking my YouTube everything, and I woke up late. Yeah. It pouring down over here, man. It pouring down. So anyway, I hope y'all have a nice day, everything. I have a nice day so far. I think I received my giveaway packet in mail today, but I can't go get it until Monday. I'm not sure if I did or not. But I can't get it until Monday because when we went to the post office was closed. Yeah, so anyway, if I did got it, I will put my giveaway on opening on YouTube on Monday, yeah. And that's all I got for today. See y'all later, bye y'all.